Okay. We are now.
Ako, nagkakapalit-palit.
Wait, what?
Ito, ito?
Yung magkaano po? Diyos ko,
Ito,
Mario.
saan ang nito?
Sa likod ko.
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin, pares-pares kasi ito.
Oo. Kaya nga may ganito, Nay.
Kaya nga, nasaan ang mga ganito?
Andun. You know.
Ang ibig ko sabihin, ito pares yan. Ito, saan ang pares?
Ito.
Ito.
I don't know. Ayun! Ito, meron pa, Nay. That's my little sister. You all know her. I've let her be in a video, and one day, tomorrow is gonna be school again. Our celebration is April. I think it's like in December. Nay, kailan po ang April?
Next year.
Next year nga po, pero ilang taon bago mag-April?
Walang isang taon, April na.
Ilang taon?
1 year.
1 year nga, pagkatapos nitong 2025, di ba 2026? Di ba July? Ay, January. Pagkatapos ng January, ano sunod? February. Then March. April. Oh, sabihin, it's 4 months. I think it's 5 or 4 months before our celebration. Anyways, it's gonna be my birthday. I'm just kidding. I'm almost gonna be like, I've got pimples on me right now, but it's clearing out because I use Celetic. Whatever my mom said, bro. Anyways, let's just skip to that point and wow, this guy teleported here. Oh, look at that. It's filled. Anyways, I need the gunting. Oh, it's here. Mr. Krabs. A piece of tape. There you go. Now we remove that piece of tape. Let me just remove it. And there we go. Now let's remove. And then that is satisfied. I need to be ready. Oh my God. Very, very nice. This is the one I completed. Guys, my phone screen is separating with the controls inside it. I think it's broken. But no worries, it's gonna work. I'm gonna drill it. And plus there's no cracks. Yeah, there are. Anyways, with this done, I'm gonna okay. So let's remove the trash. There we go. My tongue hurts. It's so hard to film. Let's just skip it. Let's just... Okay, this is getting out of hand. So, probably know I've been doing this. Me and my grandma have a problem. Everything is backwards and frontwards. But the thing got away. Anyways, guys, my phone fell. And this took hours to finish. Okay, let's add that last one. I'm getting tired now. Okay, let's add that. This. Final touches. Did we add the back? Yeah. This guy will return here. There we go. Now that guy will be over here. Yeah. Huh? Anyways, this is done. This is almost the size of... Anyways, this guy's... He's almost the height at me. But the question is, where am I gonna put it? Go move there, Alfred. I will name you Alfred. No, Alfredo. There we go. Yeah. Come on, move this. Yeah. Alfredo, welcome to the new... I'll name you Alfredo. Alfredo. How dare I? Damn, he fired! He fired, but don't get out of there! Din! Tuldok! See? Alfredo's looking fresh. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Noon, and peace.